Hello students, welcome to Standard 10th Mathematics, Lecture 5 of Chapter 15 Probability. Here something we have to notice from the definition of probability definition, and we will learn about the deck of playing cards. In that, cards are of different types that we will see and understand, because cards related probabilities and the questions are also asked in exam, and we will solve in example. Also in exercise you will have some questions related to cards. So first thing to notice from the definition is, from the definition of the probability PE, in the very first lecture that we have seen, we see that the number of the numerator, the probability, the definition is P equals to, in fraction form in numerator it was number of favorable outcomes, and in denominator upon that total number of outcomes was there. It is in a fraction form, it will have the numerator and it will have the denominator. About that we have to understand here, the numerator in which number of outcomes favorable to E is there is always less than or equal to the denominator, the number of all possible outcomes. In three examples we have seen before it. In all we have seen that always the numerator is less than the denominator. What is numerator? Numerator is the number of outcomes favorable to E. And what is denominator? The number of all possible outcomes. We have seen the impossible events also and sure event also. In impossible we have seen the numerator may be 0, right? The numerator may be 0, and in sure event we have seen that the numerator may be equal to the denominator. When in impossible event we have seen that the probability of event will be 0, and in sure event in which all the possible outcomes and the favorable outcomes are being equal, the probability is 1. So from that too and from the definition we can assign that what is the range of the probability of any event. The probability of any event will be always greater than or equal to 0 but less than or equal to 1. So range of the any event's probability will be between 0 and 1 or 0 and 1. It will not be less than 0 and it will not be greater than 1. So this is the conclusion we have. We have to remember the probability of any event will be always minimum will be 0 and maximum will be 1. This is also 1 mark question you can be asked, and you have to understand it now. The probability of any event will be minimum 0 and maximum 1, and between 0 and 1 any number will be. So this is in general you have to remember 0 less than or equal to b less than or equal to 1. This is called the range of probability. Range of probability is 0 and 1. Right? Now about the cards we want to understand. The deck of playing card that we play sometimes, the total cards in that we will count that they are 52 cards. How many cards? 52 cards. Divided in 4 suits. They will have 4 types of cards. 4 suits they are called. Of this sign in each card called spade. It is in black color. You will find. Spade will be black color. This heart-shaped card you will find it will be in red color. Diamond-shaped card is also in red color, and this club card, which is having 3-leaf type, is again black color. Okay. So total black and total red. How many cards we will have? Spade black colors 13 cards and club black color 13 cards. 13 and 13. 26 black color card and 13 and 13 red color cards are 26. In 2 colors it is divided 52 cards. In that black 26 cards and red also 26 cards. Now in each these 4 suits, this type of sign is called spade. In that total cards you will find 13 of this shape having all. Heart shape also 13 diamond shape also 13 and club shape also 13. So in each 4 suits you will have 13 cards. In that you will find a card having A, capital A. That is called ace. It is also having in spread 1 only. In each 1 1 it will be. Heart spread shape is 1, heart shape is 1, diamond shape is 1 and club shape is also 1. So all in 52, how many A's you will have? 4. All 13, 13, 13, 52 cards. In each one A's will be, so total A's is 4. Then you will find K written card also. One type of card is K. K for king. It will have the king face in the card. King face card. This is also 1 1 in each. So total king face cards in 52 are 4. Then you will have Q, the capital Q written card. That will also have a face, queen face. It will also be in each 1 1 1 1. So total queen cards, face cards 4. Total king face cards are 4. Total queen face cards are 4. Then you will have third type J written card. It will also have a face of Jack face. It is also 1 1 in each. So total face Jack face cards are 4. A written K, Q, J. This type of cards 1 1 in each. Then you will have the rest of cards written on that numbers and that number of leaves also of this each shape. 2 to 9 numbers you will find. So 2 to 10. 2 to 10 numbers showing. Cards you will find. And that will be 9 9 in each. That you will find 2 written, 3 written and 3 leaves, 3, 4 leaves, 5 written, 5 leaves we will find. So total number showing, only number showing, they will not show any alphabet like this, or they will not show any face. They will have the number and that number of leaves or that number of signs that they have. Like spread will have, if 2 is there, 2 sign of this spread sign will be. If 3 is there, 3 heart shaped card will be there, card will have. Diamond, 4 diamonds are there, it will be written as 4. So this type of number showing cards are 9 9 in each. So 9 4s are 36 cards are in which no face, no alphabet of A to Z you will find. It will have only numbers. So from this the conclusion is total face cards how many? 4 of K type face card, Q type face card, Jack type face cards. So total 4, 4, 4. Fourth is the 12 face cards, 26 black color, 26 red color, 4 types and all the information is. So you are suggested to write down this all and understand it with the cards. If you will have in a home, you can find and you can see that all the cards and you can arrange this way. And this concept match with the cards and you will understand about the all playing cards, 52 cards divided in 4 suits of this shapes and name with the name, divided in 2 colors, black and red, 26 26. In each suit what you will find 1 ace, so total 4 ace, 1 K, so total 4 K. In each you will find Q, so total 4 Q. In each you will find J, so total 4. In each you will find 2 to 10 numbers, 9 9 in each, so 36. Total faces 4 is 12. This way about the 52 cards we collect the information and we write it this way, and you will remember this for the examples and questions, and then we can easily solve this type of cards related questions in this probability chapter.